Hello, it's Sarah. I just wanted to share this last piece of clay that I made. It's Christmas crunch time now. I gotta start focusing on Christmas. So I had already molded all these pieces out of the mold of the Under the Sea mold that I showed in my last video, and they were sitting here and I'm like, all right, and so I stayed up and I just did this. This is a paper mache box that I had, a heart shape, and at first I thought I was going to do it on that small mirror. That's what I showed, but I wasn't sure how I was going to bake it and all that stuff, so I ended up positioning everything on here, and I think it turned out pretty cute. I ended up putting it in the oven with a tent over it because I told you that I burned one of the other lids that I baked burned a little bit. It had a little hint of brown on it, and didn't want that to happen. But this one bubbled up, like the center of it, and I don't know if I didn't put glue there. I was pretty sure I did, and it actually cracked. There's a small crack there, and but now that it's all cool and cold, I mean, it's fine. It all shrank back down and everything, but that disappoints me. I mean, I obviously don't want a crack to be there, but all in all, it's pretty cute. I used the Makin's, what are they called, texture sheets for this. There was the sand one, so I used that for the sand, and then I used, there was like a waves one, and I mean, it's not really like waves, but it was just to give it some texture. So I used that for the water. And this is just clay that I had on hand. I think I mixed the blues to get this color. The bottom, I just painted it with the blue Martha Stewart gloss and pearl, and it's not the right color, so I'll change that. And I didn't have enough clay to put it on the bottom, but I may do that too. I may just get some of this tan clay probably and do the bottom. But it was fun. I think it turned out really cool. I put some rocks and I just cut some little like seaweed out of the green clay, but I did end up putting the mica powder on everything, which I don't know that I really needed to do. I like how, like, when I shaded the sand, that looks kind of cool. But I didn't probably need to put it on all the critters and stuff because they were already silver, and like they had a little metal. Actually, the turtle probably I would have done. I don't know, but I'm just kind of hooked on them at the moment. So I don't know. I think it turned out pretty cool though. So yeah. So this is probably my last share for a while until after Christmas, I guess, and then we're gonna go to Maryland for a couple days, but I'll be ready to play when I get home, so you know, who knows if I'll have time before that, but I just wanted to get this in real quick, and then that'll be it. I wanted to wish everyone a happy holiday, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.